Four Little Birds, Part 2. Making a clearer version of this painting was quite tough. It had particular details I really had to plan out. And I have to think backwards, since the backside is a reverse painting. Working like this, there's such a tension that you get that I never get from making regular paintings. You don't get a second chance. This is everything I miss from working with ink on paper. Oh yeah. I don't work with ink anymore. I feel like while I'm working with paint, I can do anything that the ink can do, and much more. But I miss that engagement you get when everything is on the line and you only have one chance. I used to work in a nightclub doing caricatures. I had a single lamp to illuminate my drawing board and my model's face. The nightclub was pounding music at everyone, and it was an impossible place to work in, but I did it. And I didn't really think it was an impediment. Well, an old man appeared one night and stopped roaming the place when he got next to me. He was looking over my shoulder for a few minutes. I thought he was fascinated by what I was doing. I kept drawing, and then he finally spoke. He said there was no way I could be focused in such a situation. He said whatever I was doing, I was definitely not connected to the work. In other words, I was just phoning it in, making up whatever I wanted. I thought he was just a rude old man. Years later, when you think about people making art while on the phone, or multitasking, or what have you, and you see what the outcome to not focusing is,
Yeah.
I then know exactly what he was talking about. And that's what's happening here. The reverse painting forces me to be engaged with the work. Because all it takes is one mistake to undermine this little undertaking. I think you need to approach the front sides of paintings with the same focus, but I cannot deny that in the back of my head while I'm working on a front side painting, I know that if I mess up, I can always cover it up on a front side image. But that would never fly while working on the back side. If you like what you see, like and subscribe to Zap-stract Kinetics. Hit the bell icon to be alerted to new videos. Follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/Ray Armenteros. That's REYARMENTEROS. And on Instagram at Instagram.com/Ray_Armenteros. Again, that's REY_ARMENTEROS. Thanks for watching.